I saw it up. I thought it was just the minnow, and then it got all heavy.
Seriously?
Are you kidding? Yeah. It's not bad. Bigger than my other one, I think. Well, about the same size. Dude, we just got here. Little hammer handle. It swam away. Nice. It's -5 outside, so holes are freezing over, hands are getting cold while setting up the tip-ups, but we got it done. We're in Rush's ice tent. Thanks to him for meeting up with me. Rush Voorhis Outdoors. Check out his channel. Done a couple collabs in the past. But yeah, just pulled a pike out of the ice. First one of the day. Hoping to get a lot more.
Weren't even prepared for it. Just walked out.
Yeah, wasn't even prepared for it. Hope to see some more flags popping. Getting it done.
Letting her back.
Yeah, let's do it.
Northern?
So Northern. Hey, a little guy.
Dude.
All right.
Nice.
It's a nice little Northern Pike. So Rush is replacing the minnow on this tip up because he just caught his first Northern Pike out of here.
That's my first fish out of this lake in general.
Yeah, so that's awesome. So he's replacing it. I didn't capture it on my camera, unfortunately. So in order to see the fish that he caught, you're gonna have to head over to his channel, Rush Voorhis Outdoors. He does great edits, great content, great videos. It's a great pike. Go check it out. No! All right, we're calling it. Gonna pack it up, leave the tip-ups out while we do. Hopefully one more fish will bite on the tip-ups while we're doing that. And then head home, let's get her done. To head home here after another great day on the ice. Got some pike on them tip-ups and all that. Had a great time.
It's cold. It's -1. It's probably -6 degrees right now.
It's freezing.
It's cold.
We left the tip-ups right to the end like we said we would, and it was a little chore getting those in. So we're about to head home. Thanks for watching as always. See you on the next video.